I love the Dimplex long wave. Ever since we've had it installed, it has really added an extra element to our sunroom. Before, we had a small heater so that in the off season, spring and fall, we would try and be able to use the sunroom a little bit longer. It was a little heater that my husband had, so it was kind of warm by him, but not for me. So this is absolutely awesome to have this. And now you can go out anytime. You can have your coffee in the morning, watch the news on your iPad, and even entertaining has now taken it into another level because we can have people all year long. It's so awesome to not only be able to watch the rain, but now we can watch the snowflakes as they fall. We love the sunroom because we can see nature as it's occurring. I love this sleek design. They just disappear into the ceiling, and when they're on, you don't see anything, you just feel the heat. And I love the fact that I was able to have them installed with a thermostat, so you can turn it off when you want, but you can go out, turn it on, and then go and get your coffee, come back, and the room is toasty warm for you to sit in. And now with the Dimplex Long Wave, the other thing is that I really noticed I have me time in the morning. No matter what the temperature is, I can go out, turn the thermostat on, I come in and get my coffee, I go out and do my Bible reading, I have my time to just think and meditate and watch nature, and it's just been wonderful.